Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is parts of legal business environment. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning of business environment, nature and objectives of business environment and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about this topic. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic which is parts of legal business environment. So basically there are different parts of legal environment which constitute the legal environment for the development of business organizations. These are as follows. First one is the provisions of the constitutions. It means rules, regulations, laws of any country. Second is judicial decisions. There are different types of decision timely taken by the judges or jury members of the courts in the different countries, which should be followed by the business organizations. Now we are discussing each of the point one by one in detail. So first one is the provisions of the constitution. The provisions of the articles of the Indian Constitution, particularly directive principles, rights and duties of the citizens, legislative powers of the central and state government, also influence the operation of business enterprises. So there are different directive principles, rights, duties of citizens are given in the Indian Constitution, which should be followed by the central and state government as well as the citizens of the India. The second part is judicial decisions. The judiciary has to ensure that the legislature and the government function in the interest of the public and act within the boundaries of the Constitution. The various judgments given by the court in different matters relating to trade and industry also influence the business activities. The political environment is the mixture of the environment of legislature, executive and judiciary. So there are different types of legislature and government functions are given within the boundary, within the limit of the Indian Constitution, and there are also several judgments are taken by the courts in different matters related to business policies, business world. They should be followed by the business organizations. In legislature and executive of government decide different work of the nation. The judiciary sees whether it is legal or illegal. It is continuing to change. As a businessman, you should watch it. You can see the changes in the political environment with the help of the media. So there are different changes are taken time to time in the country with the legal perception, legal boundaries. Every organization, every business organization have to watch it, have to follow it, all the judiciary decisions. Media shows the updates of politics. These days, Indian corruption is on the top of politics. You can watch and also analyze its effect on your business. Political environment also affects business with different business laws. These laws controls all the activities of business. So different laws are prepared by the political environment, political government of the country, which have to follow by the business organizations. In India, there are lots of laws which have been made by Indian government. In these laws, we can add Company Law 1956, Factory Act 1948 also. For controlling stock exchanges, government has made SEBI. For controlling banking business, government has made RBI. So there are different types of institutions which govern different sectors of business organizations like SEBI, RBI, etc. also. The political environment is a key component of the business environment that dictates greatly on the success of your home business. So political environment also influences the legal environment of the business organization. What happens in the politics of your country as well as that of other countries influence a lot your home business. What are different changes taken in the country or in the other countries also influences the business organization growth and development. Usually, political situation in the country where you are doing business or where you intend to do business, how aware are you of the political aspects that affect your home business. So you should be aware about the country in which you are living, which you are doing the business, or the country which affects also your business. If you haven't been paying any attention to those political aspects that have an effect of your on your business, it's therefore important for you to understand the political environment in which you are operating, because it can present political risk to your business. For instance, your business is subject to political risk if war erupts in any country where you do your business. So there should be different types of conditions like war, the condition which is influence also a business organization in which country you are doing your business. Likewise, changes in government policies may either affect you positively or negatively. The prevailing political environment in any country directly affects the economic environment or performance. At your home business owner, you need to keep yourself aware of the political climate in which you operate. So, for the home business owner, person should be aware of the political climate in which he or she is doing your business. Political changes affect greatly small business owners, and it's quite important for them to know whether the changes in the political and government policies are supportive or unfavorable to their businesses. This awareness enables you to run your business from an informed point of view so that you are not subjected to political risk. So you should be aware of the political conditions of the country to be precaution to take in the precaution of the political risk. So this is all about the parts of legal business environment. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So basically there are two parts of legal business environment, which is provisions of the constitutions. Second one is judicial decisions. Under the provisions of the constitution, there are different directive principles, rights, duties of the citizens are given in the constitution, which should be followed by the central government and state government also, as well as the business enterprises and citizens of the country. Second one is the judicial decisions, which is given by different judgments of the court, which also influences the business organizations which are related to trade and industrial sector. These judgments are also influenced by the political environment of the country. So the businessman should be aware of the political environment of their country in which he or she is doing business, or he or she is want to intend to do business in that particular country. So aware to eliminate the political risk, to eliminate the financial risk of that your business. So this is all about the parts of legal business environment. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.